There are a lot of ways your garage floor coating can be installed, but there's really only one right way, which is exactly why I'm on the job today with Paul from Perkins Custom Coatings, talking all about why Perkins is different from the competition and how homeowners are really going to see value in that. So thanks for having me today.
It's great to be here.
What is it about this home that we're at today that's a perfect example of the work that Perkins does?
Well, this particular home's just a few years old, but it had enough grease and oil and things that had spilled on the floor that it was very important that we grind the floor as part of our surface prep. We take the whole process of putting down floor coating very seriously, from prep to the highest quality materials and to the right thicknesses on the floor, to make sure that we're going to deliver a finished product that's going to last for decades.
Of course, that's why you're part of the Approved Home Pros Network. We love that you take everything very seriously. But back to the surface prep, that's also important for the warranty that the homeowner is going to receive.
Yeah, that's very important. If you don't grind a floor at a minimum, you're not going to receive the full manufacturer's warranty. And of course, a warranty from an installer like us is very important. Since we've been doing this for so long, obviously it's more valuable than with a company that has only been in the business for a few years. This is my 12th year.
12 years,
and we've done over 8,000 floors.
Wow.
But the manufacturer's warranty is also very important, and you won't get that full warranty if you don't do it the right way.
And I find that homeowners often use warranties as, comparing two bids from different companies. The warranty might be what sets one bid apart from the other. So it's very important to know that you're going to actually get the warranty. The work is going to be done up to par.
Right, and price is always important. And as you might imagine, if you skip a step in the process, your price might be a little lower. And as I try to point out to folks I talk to, lowest price doesn't necessarily mean the best product and the best finished product for your home.
With so many products out there that can be used to coat the garage floors, you really will walk homeowners through which products might be right for them.
We do sell the traditional epoxy finish, but we also sell a much better material. It's a polyaspartic. The brand name is Spartaflex, and we love selling this material. It performs well. It has a great manufacturer's warranty, and I've been very happy selling it for the last 12 years.
And of course, the crews always show up to the job ready for any situation that might present itself today.
We've got some very skilled and highly passionate employees. They take a lot of pride in what they're doing. They do a great job. And we have a fully equipped truck that has grinders, vacuums, masking materials, all the tools that are necessary to do the job the right way.
Thanks so much, Paul. If you're getting a garage floor coating, you want it to be done the right way, which is why you want Perkins Custom Coatings. Find them today on ApprovedHomePros.com.